Hello students, I want to show you how to use Google Hangouts. So first, go to google.com. Then go over here to the app launcher and it's going to say Google Apps underneath. So click on the app launcher and look for this icon called Hangouts. You might have to scroll down to find it. Once you find the icon Hangouts, click on it. And here we are. We are in Google Hangouts. Now we want to go to our class meeting, and to do this, we have to find the meeting code. To google.com and click on Mail. Okay, so see right here, it says Gmail. It's right next to the app launcher. So click on Gmail. And look here and look for Roberta Lynch. Look for my name. It's not going to show up because it's my own email account. And so then you'll click on the email, and I don't have it here, but inside the email there will be an invitation to go to the Google Hangout at a certain time. It's going to look something like this. So here's our invitation for Friday, April 3rd. Okay, so see it says ELD1 class meeting with Miss Lynch, Friday, April 3rd, 1 to 2 p.m. So, and then it says join Hangouts meet. So you just click on this and you'll go to the Hangout. And then when it's Friday at 1 o'clock, just click join now and you'll be in our class meeting. Okay, I hope that helps. See you on Friday at 1 o'clock.